Welcome to our luxury furniture factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw seashells are transformed into beautiful luxury tables using advanced technology.
Bring that pallet closer to the line. Copy that. Moving it now.
The process begins with large, iridescent shells. Using diamond-tipped tools and a fine mist of coolant, each tabletop combines natural beauty with modern engineering.
Every luxury table undergoes extensive inspection before shipment.
Make sure it's centered right there.
Okay, that feels secure. Yeah.
I'll start the strapping now. And that's how raw seashells are transformed into stunning luxury tables that combine natural beauty with modern craftsmanship.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.